OnePlus brings Plus Key on new phones to replace the alert slider. What is it and how it works? OnePlus has confirmed the details about the Plus Key, which replaces the iconic alert slider on its upcoming phones, including the OnePlus 13s. The older button helped you switch between ring, vibrate and silent mode with a click, but the Plus Key is a sign of how AI is going to become a bigger part of OnePlus' future strategy. The company is going to use the iPhone-like model with the Plus Key, which has features similar to the action button that Apple introduced a few years back. But the big play for OnePlus with the new key is to help you organize, save, and remember content based on your previous tasks. OnePlus 13's to debut Plus Key. What it offers: the Plus Key on the OnePlus 13 sits on top left of the device and is a functional physical button with tactile feedback. By default, you can click on it to put the phone on silent, vibrate and ring. But that's just the start. You can head over to Settings Plus Key and really explore the varied nature of the button and how you can customize its use, more like a shortcut for one of the useful features. You can use it for the following, and most of these features activate when you hard press the Plus Key, which will either open the camera, start recording, or take screenshots. The bigger, private AI play: the Plus Key is getting a big leg up with the new OnePlus AI Focus that promises personal intelligence. The company claims the data is processed on device in most cases, but in situations where the data has to be sent to the cloud server, OnePlus is adopting an Apple-like private computing system. Swipe left for next video. The brand explained that highly sensitive light data will be processed on device, but highly sensitive extensive data will be moved to the private computing cloud. These are some big changes from OnePlus, one that it feels aligns with the AI-focused approach that most brands are offering for the consumers. The OnePlus 13s will mark the debut of these features and the Plus Key, with the OnePlus 15 flagship taking it a further notch higher later this year. Latest blogs.